Hey, what's up guys? On today's video, I'm going to be opening and unboxing a sports band from Nomad. If you guys have looked at sports bands before, you guys have heard of the brand Nomad. It's a very popular brand, but it is expensive. I'm going to go ahead and open one up to show you guys what it's all about and if it's actually worth the money. So I am no way sponsored by them. I want to give a sports band a try. I actually went with two different sports bands. So I went with one that was highly rated on Amazon, and I also went with the Nomad. Now the one on Amazon had really good reviews. It was only $15. A reason why I went with this is that it does have the same in channels just like the Nomad. It's also very soft and very sturdy. And lastly, it has aluminum buckles to hold this in place. And that's really important. That's one of the things that the Nomad is known for. I originally knew that the Amazon one was going to come a lot quicker. Of course, Prime is only about 1 or 2 days from where I'm located, and the Nomad, it said about 7 to 10 days. I was kind of hesitant on how or when it would arrive, but to my surprise, it arrived in 2 days. It shipped from Hong Kong, and it came from FedEx Express, so it came very quick. And if you guys are worried about the time frame, don't worry, it does come quick. Now, one of the things that kind of deterred me from purchasing the Nomad is that I didn't find all the options available on Amazon. They only have a limited amount on there, so I had to actually go onto their website and find the actual sports band that I liked. And again, it was $80, but it did come very quick. Let's see what the hype is all about. Now let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Came with a decal, the Nomad box. This is a sport band. I got the 45 millimeter, which is for my Apple Watch Series 7. Has a pretty nice case. I got the flat black version. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual product. Okay, so this is the band. My first impression, first time opening it. It looks pretty decent. It's matted, it's not shiny. It seems very rugged. I'm gonna compare the materials. The one that I got from Amazon does feel more rubbery, more silicone-ish. Versus this. The band that I also got from Amazon is actually more stretchable. Versus the one from Nomad, it's very stiff, very sturdy. This one is made from FKM. It's a floral elastomer rubber. They're both 100% waterproof. They both have interior ventilated channels. And what, again, the Nomad is known for is these aluminum closure pins, which makes it very nice in retail. And again, the Amazon one does also have the aluminum or metal closure pins. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Go ahead and press the back button, slide that off. Gonna slide the new one in. Go ahead and slide the top strap off and slide that in. All right, it's installed. So again, what I'm noticing it's definitely more sturdy. There's not a lot of pull to it. The weight is about the same so far. So let me go ahead and wear this so I can give you a first-hand impression. I've got it on. It's on my wrist for the very first time. So far, it feels pretty good. It's a little less rubbery that I've noticed. In regards to what it feels like, in my opinion, it reminds me of wearing a G-Shock. So if you've worn a G-Shock watch before, this is what it feels like. The one I got from Amazon feels more silicone-ish. It feels more like the OEM band that you get from Apple. I've rocked that one for a very, very long time. I kind of like the way that this one feels. It's a little bit different. But again, in my opinion, for $80, is it worth it? Probably not. This one was $15. It feels just as good. It looks just as good. This one also, you do see more skin exposure because the holes are a lot bigger than the one that I got from Amazon. Not a problem, but it's more breathable. It's also very easy to remove. It has the patented Nomad buckle right there. And it does look very good and rugged. So, not a bad product, but again, my honest opinion, is it worth $80? Probably not. I would stick to something a little bit cheaper. I don't regret getting this at all though. I'm gonna try it out just for the heck of it. So let me know what you guys think. I hope this video helped you guys out, maybe give you a little bit of clarity before you guys actually purchase the item. Again, it came very, very quick. I'll drop a link before for the item. Catch you guys on that next one. Thanks for tuning into this video.